Hindi na ka pa.
Kasi edad lang kayo eh.
Yung tatay na eh, no?
Ano, binidyo ko pa yung tawag ng tay.
Masarap
Kaya
yan.
para documented.
Masarap ko kaya sir, inis na ko dyan.
Oo. Tatag mo na ako sa akin dyan, tinatawag ko ng tay.
Gusto ko nga sagutin eh. Pasko 2022.
Bakit, matanda na talaga tayo eh.
Oo nga eh.
Inuman sa
Ano
kalye.
tayo magagawa?
Hindi naman ano eh.
Ito ko na ba?
29.
Bata pa, bata.
Ano, di ba? Di ko tayo pwede maging anak pa.
35 pa lang siya.
Oo.
Ibig sabihin sir.
Okay na tayo.
Ang Penoy. Penoy sa Pilipinas. Saw-saw-saw mo sa suka.
At tapos na siya. Yan. Yan.
Sabay kakagatin mo. Ah.
Sarap yan. Suka tapos may kasi.
Parang talo.
Sir John. Daming bitsin yan eh.
Ito naman, balot.
Inadobo namin
Ayun ang sisiw, buhay na buhay. Diyos ko. Ano, gulayat? Gusto mo ba? 25 pesos. So, 50 cents to.
Napaka-adobo namin yan, pulutan. Bili kami ng 10 balon. Adobo mo yan.
So mo ngayon sa suka yan.
Sarap. 2 piso lang yan sir sa patiros eh. Yung hilaw.
Na.
Parang mayroon pa lang na kuhan yung adobo balon. Sarap.
Oo sir. Ano sir, 2 piso lang yan. Hilaw.
Ito, the balot challenge.
Ito, 25. Inabot ko balon. Parang 350 yata.
Pero
Matigas yung buto.
kulay po yan. Mga 5
Gulay, tuwang-tuwa.
Lahat mo ng damit later kung ganyan sa pangbata yun.
Gulay.
Ito nyo na yan.
Gulay, bumalik ka na dito.
Bilat!
Now we have this steak marinated. It's a ribeye from Canada. It's kind of hot. It's smoking. Then we can put it in. Okay, 2 minutes have passed since we started cooking it, and as you can see, it's a very beautiful steak. The heat is all right. It's like medium fire. So 2 minutes. So we'll probably have it for 1 more minute and then we'll turn it around. See how that goes. So it's okay. After 3 minutes we turned it around. We flipped the steak and here's what you can see. I like my steak medium well. So this is about an inch over, a little bit over an inch thick of a ribeye steak. So I'm gonna give it like 3-3-2-2. That's how I usually do it. 3 minutes one side, 3 minutes the other, and then 2 and 2. You don't want the fire too hot, so I'm gonna lower it kind of low. What matters is when you're cooking the steak, if you can see that the blood is coming out, it means that the heat is penetrating the whole meat, and then you can turn it around again, and then put it in higher heat so it will caramelize. The reason why you want to caramelize the sides is you want to trap the juice inside of the steak. So as you can see, there's good caramelization in this side. I flipped it, so it's going to be like 2 minutes on that side. It should be done. So we're done cooking it. We're just going to let it cook by itself while on the plate for about 5 minutes. That's internal heat. So it's not gonna be dry. It's gonna still be juicy. Hopefully it's gonna be medium rare to medium well. Oh, ang hirap ng buhay. Pambira, ito ang kakainin natin. Ribeye steak. May pesto pasta. At may salad. Grabe. Anong panahon ngayon? Paskong Pasko eh. Walang makain. Kakain na ba tayo? May ensaymada pa. Grabe.
Steak.
May steak. May kanin ka dyan. Ito lang ang ulaman mo sa kanin. Itong steak lang. Kaya mo na ilabas yung iba pang ulam masyado. Yung embutido. Tsaka yung kamunado mo. Ayos na ito. Okay men. Pasensya na. Ito lang meron tayo ngayon. Pasensya mo na to. Iba na panahon ngayon. Hirap. This is how I cook my steak. This is a medium well. You can see it's still pink, but it's done. Because I let the temperature go inside. It boiled inside internally until the juice went to the other side, and then you flip it. So that's ribeye from Canada, grade AAA. It's so expensive here though.